Hi, so boom, it's your girl LJ coming back to you. It has been a whole week. I haven't recorded because work has been very exhausting. There were a lot of like changes that kind of like shifted my schedule, and then by the time I got home, it was like I'm going to bed and waking up the next morning. So I didn't have any time to record. However, I'm gonna take this weekend to record some videos. I still have been cash stuffing like in the morning before work, and I really want to stick to that process. But this week has been really tough for me. So I wanted to come to you guys and do an unboxing because I did purchase the mystery box from a Pinkecloth, and I'm so glad that I waited until Friday to come and actually open it. So I'm going to show you guys what I got in the mystery box. So the first thing that I got, and this is me just opening it like right now, this purple, I think this is a bag. Like, I'm a pink girly, but this purple lavender bag, I think, I like lavender because my mom used to like lavender. So that's usually like my second go-to color. But this money bag, I like this. This is beautiful. All right, let's see what else we got in here. Ooh, these are pretty. These are bookmarks. Oh my God. Oh, this is like a sandy cup. Oh, look, I haven't decorated any of my binders, but this is going to start me off. I like this. My daughter might take that Stanley Cup from me. Usually when I get orders and and she sees them, she usually takes them and put them on her book bag. But these are amazing. Are these earrings? These are so cute. Oh my God. I usually don't wear earrings, and oh my, I need to hide this for my daughter. This is, and it's me looking into the box. I have the box like right next to me, and oh my God, I seen this and I was like, oh my God. No way. I'm like, I really can't. All right, forget that. This is so stinking cute. This is probably my only time I'm going to see this. My daughter is at her grandmother's, and once she sees this, it's a wrap. I know it. I already see it. But this is, oh my God, I like this. Hopefully I can bribe her with the Stanley Cup. And then I have another folder. Oh my God, this is so cute. I like this. I like this. I like this. This mystery box is okay. Okay. And then we have a money holder. Oh my God, I love seeing this stuff. I just haven't been able to purchase anything because I just been trying to figure out like what I wanted to do with this whole budgeting thing. I'll open that later because this is not opening. The whole budgeting thing and what that looks like for me. But I was like, I might as well just grab the mystery box. And I have been like saving money to make sure that I'm grabbing like almost everyone's mystery boxes. And this is amazing. This is a thank you card. Thank you for purchasing from Pinkecloth mystery box. This box was created to make you smile. It definitely did. I hope you love all of your goodies, which I always love to add special touches. 3 Shop Stationery is my sister shop. Okay. And we are started where I create other goodies besides budgeting. You are the first to grab some. Ooh, I am the first to grab it. I like it. I like it. Oh, that's so cute. And then it came with a little challenge. Oh my God. This is so adorable. Hold on. Hold on. Let me make sure. Oh my God. My name is on that one. I had to move that. But this is so stinky. Oh my God. I like this. I really do. Like, I'm okay with blue. Because I was born in December, so my birthstone is like, I don't know, a tap. I don't even remember, but it's one of the blue colors. But this, oh, look at the butterfly. Oh my god, this is so cute. I'm gonna keep this. I'm definitely going to keep this, and this is definitely going on my Disney binder. And this is so beautiful. And then I got a blue binder. It was so funny. I literally was like, I need a different color other than pink. And I'm okay with this. I'm okay with this. I needed to start a new binder anyway. What I'm going to... Come on. What I'm going to use it for, I have no idea right now. But I like this. Alright, let's see what else, because we do have more goodies that are inside of this box. There's a lot of stuff in here. Oh, this is cute. And then I have a blue one that goes with the binder, okay? Oh my god, this is definitely worth... I literally, this has been in my add a cart for a while. Like, since I discovered Pinkecloth. This literally has been, and I've been wanting this so bad. Like, I wanted to put this for my holidays, literally, or like overall all year, and it's in here. Oh my god, I like it. And then it comes with spending trackers. Oh my god, this is so cute. I'm so glad I did not buy it. I was like, let me wait until I get the mystery box to see if it's actually in there. And it actually is, and it feels as good as it looks. It feels as good as it looks. I just need to, like, I want to put something here. I don't know, maybe I need to buy a sticker or something, but this is, oh my god, I really wanted this. I'm so happy with this. All right, let me open this big thing. Let's see what this is. I'm so excited. Like, this is definitely make my night. Like, I really had a tough week. Like, there was a lot of staffing changes, staff leaving, and I was just struggling. Like, I was struggling to get through it the next day. Oh my god, I'm struggling. I should get scissors. Oh my god. This is the stuff. I need scissors. I can't do this with your nose. Okay. Oh my god. Chop this off. I think I hurt my nail because now I feel the tightness. This is acrylic, I think. It feels like an ocean. Like, it's hard. That is hard. That is hard. I'm making a mess. I'm just throwing everything on the floor. But this self-care challenge, oh my god, this is so beautiful. Oh my god. I am about to just pause this simplified 100 envelope challenge and just start stuffing this. Like, this is so beautiful. And it's so, oh my god. I think I seen this when she put this on her website. She does have a website. I believe it's Tina. Yes, Tina girl. Tina girl. I love this. And there's more Hello Kitty things, guys. Oh my god. All right, let me put this on the floor because I think everything is just falling. Everything is just falling. Because this is definitely worth the money. Literally, definitely worth it. Because you get all of this stuff. And then she added in her sister shop. Like, come on. Like, this is worth it. Is this a notepad? This is definitely a notepad. Oh my god. This is, oh wait, no, it's a sticker book. Let's see the stickers. Oh, she just released these. Oh my god, I like these. Here's the sticker book. I'm sitting here flipping and not even showing you. And this is on flipping. This is the notepad. Oh no, she showed this. This was when she went to the grocery store and to write down the things that you need. Well, it is like a mini notepad, but this is something that she also released. I thought this was stinky cute. Oh my god. I'm about to be, listen, everyone's about to get my life together. Yes, this is the So yeah, this is the grocery list that she was promoting. Put it in the comments below if you're a delivery person or a pickup person. I'm both. Like, I do both. I want them to deliver my food, but then I also want to like order it online, so I stay within budget and then go pick it up myself. Or like if it's something like meats or anything, I literally rather go pick it up than have someone pick it up. This is so, oh my god, this is so worth it. And then I was looking in the box because there's more. Yo, she gave me the bag. She gave me the bag. She gave me, Tina, thank you so much for the bag. Like, this bag, I'm going to cherish this bag because this is the ultimate bag. And I'm going to take this to school with me because my little shoulder bag be killing me. And I like this. It says save big. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It says save big, live better. And it has a flower on it. And it has hearts on it. And it's pink. And it's front and back. So I like this. And it, oh my god. It holds, okay. I like this. I like this. Especially since like after school I have to go to the grocery store and pick up like little things for dinner. This is definitely helpful. And then she gave me another book. More Hello Kitties. Oh, this is a 3D sticker. And then I have some envelopes. I try so hard to utilize these individual envelopes, but I don't know. Like, I try to do it, but then like having just the physical cash, and then if I run out, I run out. But I think this will get me together. I have older ones with like the envelopes that I really, really use. But I think, I don't know, I'm gonna give it a try. But I do like them. They are, I think they're frosted, or the vellum. I think they're frosted. No, they're not frosted. They're the, what is that called? Vellum? Anyways, the reusable 3D sticker. I like this. My daughter's gonna take this from me, so enjoy it now because I'm not gonna keep this forever because my daughter is gonna snatch it as soon as she see it. I do a really poor job at hiding things, and she takes everything. And then the last thing. Oh my god, whew, that hurt it. The last thing is this book here. I haven't seen this book on her shop. So this one. And then this came with it. So all about me savings challenges. So I'm gonna guess that it's a saving challenge book. Hey, Tina girl, thank you. It says how to use this book. Hello. This Pinkecloth challenge book will help you focus on you. This book is easy to use and allows you to set up how much you want to save. All you have to do is make a goal of how much you like to save, divide that amount by how many icons you have, which has already been counted for you for each challenge, and that's how much you should save. I would suggest to round up to whole numbers. Once you have saved the amount, color an icon and celebrate because you're one step closer to your goal you've set. Yes, that is... Ooh, planet, yes. I can use this for my class. I like this. Nails and pedicures. A beverage splur. There we go, with the speech impediment. Trying to say words. I felt like today was a heavy, like, talky day. And especially with our exam coming up on Monday. But I like this. Luscious locks. I gotta redo my braids. So, handbags, and then just, oh, okay, Tina, look at you. I really, she has a really great shop. I have literally been window shopping, and when I'm ready to save for my house, she does have like the house payment challenge ready to go. So I hope she keeps it in stock by the time my budget gets there. But thank you so much, Tina. I love all of your gifts that are in your mystery box. So if you haven't visit a Pinkecloth, please go and do so. I don't know if her mystery box is still up there, But you need to go grab you a mystery box because you get all these goodies. Like, literally, all these goodies. And I'm still not done. All these goodies. Oh my god. All these goodies. And my favorites that I may have for like a week until my daughter takes it from me. But I really do like it. Thank you, Tina. That is the video for today, and like always, have a great day. Bye.